Okay, so we're currently at the beach. I'm not a water person, so I'm like literally just sitting here, tanning. This is actually my first time at the beach, like actually getting in the water. I'm gonna go find my brother. I'm also not gonna lie, I'm missing my alcohol. I could use like a drink right now, and my friends. They start crying. I didn't record any of the games because I mean it's just soccer. We don't care. We don't care. Blah. We're gonna see the sunset later at a different beach, so that'll be fun. Good for you. I don't know if you guys can hear me or not, but I swear by this sunscreen. It's expensive, but I love it so much. The smell. I think that's one of my. That's also what I like about the beach, is wearing sunscreen because of the smell. Maybe it's just me. This is me people watching. This is me people watching. Ready? Montage. By the way, the lifeguards are so fucking hot. Here's David. What are your thoughts on the beach?
Very cool. I'm gonna be back in a bit.
Manta's like burnt as fuck. Like, okay, so then why was he allowed in here?
That's it.
Thank you. Enjoy. Dead old man. Old man. So we're leaving the beach. Oh god, I look fucked up, dude. We stayed here for like 3 hours. We're gonna head out to go eat, and then we're probably gonna head up to the other beach where we're gonna meet up with David's team. We made it to this like other beach, and I don't know if you guys can see the sea lions. David, it eats you. Dad, it's giving Dory. Hey, no. Oh, it's gonna fuck you up. You know what? Let it fuck you up. Hey, if a whole flock of those chases you,
It's on
Ted, it's literally me right there. Me as an actual fucking sea lion. Alright, behind me are the fucking sea lions, and we're waiting for David because he's changing. Cute. So we're about to eat here. Looks promising. Literally me. This is mine. We're like at the park after we got done eating. It's cute. It's La Jolla Cove or whatever. Not that anybody cares. There's so many babies. Apparently it's like pup season. Alright, now this is none of my business, but I hope this is me. I hope this is me. I'm gonna cry because that should be me. Me and who? This is so cute. I'm gonna cry. Me asking to die. Yeah, they're so mean. Look how far we are. Oh my god, hold on. I'm so tired, but I want to stay here. I think it's the weather for me. The sun's starting to set. You can see right there. Pink sky. The sun's starting to set. I'm talking to my mom. Her. so slay. So I purchased macaroons. I'm big, but we all know that, so I start crying. I throw up my food. We're at Benefit Cosmetics. I'm like, sponsor me, please. Never used them once. I think this is where I'm gonna end the vlog. I don't think we're doing anything after this, so I hope you guys enjoyed the beach vlog. And the little cinematic of whales. Dead whales, I mean the sea lions. I'm gonna go download Grindr. Dad, me? I'm kidding. I'm only kidding. I'm only kidding. I show you on my phone. Follow me on Instagram for like posting cute pictures, I think. I'll be back with another video if we end up going to LA. If not, this is the last video for my San Diego trip. Other than that, thank you guys so much for watching.